Hey friends, this is going to have to be the last video recorded in this outfit because I just attempted this lesson and I totally butchered it. Normally I'd keep my head down and just charge along, but I accidentally paused the last video and totally lost track of when I paused it, so disaster. You'd have loved it. I should have kept it. But too bad I'm not. Alright, dividing by hundreds or thousands today. Guess what? We're moving the decimal 2 places and 3 places. Surprised? Me neither. Okay, study the example and think of the rules you learned for dividing by 10 and compare it to dividing by 100. Pause me while I try and get myself back in focus. There we go. Okay, let's continue. Alrighty. Any digits that end up on this side of the decimal that are, that are after the, so some of these zeros you don't have to write. This one you still need to write because it's before the 3, but any zeros at the end after the decimal you don't have to, okay? Notice if you're dividing by 100, your digits are all going 2 places, and when you're dividing by 1,000, your digits are all going 3 places. Coincidentally, when you do this here and you're dividing by 100 and 1,000, you're going to see the same thing in this chart. Your decimals are going to move. You can pause me and do that chart if you want to. I'm just going to keep on going in 5 seconds. Okay. So when you fill out the numbers in this chart, you're going to get 2 and 35 hundredths, 0 and 532 thousandths, 0 and 64 thousandths, and 4 and 61 thousandths. What they're asking you is how does the decimal point move? As all your digits move 2 to 3 places in one direction, your decimal point is moving 2 places for dividing by 100. Your decimal point is moving 3 places dividing by 1,000. They're really trying to teach you to get to that spot where you're just like, boom, see it, move the decimal. Okay? So that being said, here are 6 decimal moving problems. I am just going to flat out ratio. I'll give you a 5-second head start. I'm not stopping the video. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's on. Boom. For these up here, decimal point moves 2 spots. 2 spots. Here, 2 spots. Here, 2 spots. And then, yeah, if there's nothing there, you got to fill in that 0. Here it went 3 spots. Here it went 3 spots. Here it went 1, 2, 3 spots. You got to put in that 0 as a placeholder. Okay? The next one's the one where they flip it around and leave blanks. I accidentally paused right there. Oh, that would have been terrible. As I was saying, the next slide is the one where they leave blanks and encourage you to multiply because it's the opposite of division. Okay? 420 divided by what is 4 2/10? Well, how many places do you move the decimal to get 4 2/10? Well, it's 2, so that's 100. That one moved 2 places. This one moved 3 places. That one moved 3 places. Oh, what moved their decimal 2 times to get 100? Well, if you take it the other direction, that's just multiplying. And if you take it the other direction, it's just multiplying. Setting a land speed record today. Boom. Pause. Read. I can't explain it any better than it's written down, so pause me and read. All right, you paused me? Of course you did. Let's continue to the examples. 16 divided by 400 is the same as 16 divided by 4 divided by 100. 4 divided by 100 means you move this decimal place 1, 2 spots and you get 4 hundredths, or 0 and 4 hundredths. Here you're doing the 1 6/10 divided by 4 divided by 100. 1 6/10 divided by 4 is going to be 4/10 divided by 100 means you're moving the decimal spots 2 places, so you're getting 4 thousandths at that point. Finally, 36 divided by 4,000. Another way to do this, but I'm not going to muck up the works. 36 divided by 4 divided by 1,000, or 9 divided by 1,000. Oh, which means you move your decimal 2 places, so you get 0 and 9 thousandths. Hey, who would have guessed that 9 divided by 1,000 would equal 9 thousandths? What a shocker. Oh, losing some. Ooh, I keep pausing the video when I'm trying to clear my screen. That is an issue. That tells me I need to wrap it up. 9 times 7 is 63, so 9 tenths times 7 is 63 hundredths. 9 hundredths times 7 is 63 hundredths. Oh, good. 23 times 8 is 184. 2 and 3 tenths times 8 is going to be 18 and 4 tenths. Or 23 hundredths times 8. By the way, 184. Remember that trick where I said how many digits are behind the decimal? Boop. Right there. Copy and complete the table. I will erase you. Well, you can start while I move my head out of the way. Ready? Set. Go. Right. Wait a minute. Something got tricky here. 7. Let's go that way. Thought these were all going to be the same number. I have to think about these. All I'm doing is moving the decimal, you guys. Oh, they mixed it up a little bit. Made me work. Move your decimal 1. Did I move my decimal 1 place in all of those? Yeah. Move your decimal 2 places. Move it 3. Oh, practice problems. Go nuts. Pause me. I'm just going to fill out the answer key. This is going to be one of those where I get the book because I don't feel like computing. I already passed 5th grade math, so you guys have fun. Even though this is technically Minnesota 6th grade math, but whatever, you can do it. Good luck. I'll see you in a couple seconds. All right, I know I'm right this time. You're not allowed to disagree with me because I cheated. As a matter of privilege, as a matter of principle, I usually don't like to use this thing, but once in a while, when you're stumbling over your videos, you gotta do it. All right, next page. Clear those. Magic, right? Ooh, it's the end. Complete. I'll do these with you. I'm feeling benevolent. That's your word of the day. Oh, nothing to erase. Benevolent. Okay, 68 hundredths equals 6 and 8 tenths divided by 10, or 68. Oh, interesting. Divided by 100, or 680 divided by 1,000. Well, that wasn't that mind-boggling. 0 and oh, wait, stop. I'm not paying attention here. Oh, this is this times 10. Haha. These are multiplication problems. Tricky. All right. Whatever your workbook is. This is a long lesson. Holy smokes. I'm glad you had to do it, not me. Good luck with your workbook pages. Good luck with your problem of the lesson, which should be next. Oh, for crying out loud. This should take you about 2 seconds. Are you done? Good. You should be. There's your assignment. Do your exit slip. Do your practice. I'm going to come back in a different outfit because I'm done recording for the day. A bit of pleasure as always, though. Bye.